Designing a web page using CSS properties. A winter carnival was organized by Red Brick School in the month of December 2020. A student of class 7th has designed a web page containing a short report on the winter carnival. The teacher felt that the report needs some modification. She edited the font, text, color, and border properties of CSS to make the report look better. Let's recreate the same output. Here is the HTML source code written by the student. We can use the properties of CSS to modify the document. Let us change the text properties first. To do this, let us use the style attribute to attach the CSS property with the h1 element. Let us center align the heading. To do this, type the following CSS syntax in the start tag of element h1. Style equal to text align : center. Save the changes. Open the web page. Look, the text has been aligned to the center of the web page. Let's change the font now. To do this, add font family : Calibri in the element h1. Now, let's add a common style attribute below the heading element for all the paragraphs. Start style tag P, font family : Vardhana, end style tag. Save your changes again and open the web page. Here, we have successfully changed the font of the heading and the paragraphs. Let us change the heading text to uppercase and change its color as well. To do this, open the source code again and include the statement color : tomato, text transform : uppercase in the h1 element. Now let's change the font color of the text in the paragraphs. Let's include color : blue in the style attribute of the paragraphs. The output will look like this. The heading is in uppercase and red in color, and the text in the paragraphs appears blue. Finally, let's add a border around the text. In the body element, insert the code style equals to border -style : dotted. Save the changes. Look, the text is now enclosed inside a border. There, we have recreated the output. Wasn't that easy?